Guys, I'm going to show you something kind of cool here in our back garden. And I don't often shoot too many videos back here in our back garden. We have a lot of gardens. And it's this palm tree that I planted many moons ago in a antique milk container. Okay, so there's a palm tree. It's been growing in there since a seedling in that antique milk container. So the bottom of the container is rusted out, and so the roots have gone into the ground. This is a Pacific wax myrtle there. I just want to see. Oh shoot, that's not good. Ah, stupid me. Roots are coming out. Oh, it's rooted in. It is so rooted in, and the roots are coming out of that, so I'm gonna have to, wow. Of course I took the bark off the side of that when I stepped on it, but anyway, so this Trachycarpus fortunei palm has been growing in here for years, and it'll be interesting to see how big this thing gets growing in this antique milk container. It is so into the ground right there, ain't going anywhere, and we're not getting it out. So end of November, and look at this thing grow. Look at the growth on this thing. It's actually got quite nice fronds, almost hybrid-like. So stay tuned for updates on the milk container Trachycarpus palm tree. And we'll see how long it will survive in that milk container planter. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe for more videos on this channel. Palm the subscribe button. Cheers.